Hello to all my YouTube family member. I hope you all doing great. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope guys you all doing great and Alhamdulillah I am also extremely good. Today we are going to discuss about a very essential topic, and that is 50 phrasal verb for everyday life. Phrasal verbs and English vocabulary for beginners. So let's get started, guys. Are you ready? So today's first sentence is break up. Break up means separate, split up. Number second, call off. Meaning is cancel, look after, take care of. Look for, search for, pick up, collect. Turn on, switch on, turn off, switch off. Check in, arrive and register at a hotel. Put on, wear, take off, remove, take out, throw away or out, get up, rise. Hold on, wait, bring back, return, look up, search for, check out, leave or depart from a hotel, turn up, arrive, put off, postpone. Let's learn with Sayed Academy, guys. Do not forget to share this link to your loved ones. Run out of, have no more of something. Wake up, awaken. Get along, have a good relationship. Turn down, reject, look forward, to anticipate or hope for. Call back, return a phone call. Turn up, increase in volume. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my videos, and do not forget to like, share and comment please. I need your support, so guys, do share with your loved ones. Thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day.